Okay, good morning, friends. Okay, we'll see one more example on the plastic analysis of beam. So I think example number 4 may be there. So write down. Find the collapse load. Find the collapse load for a 2-span continuous beam. Find the collapse load for a 2-span continuous beam ABCD, 2-span continuous beam ABCD of equal span length capital L, equal span length capital L, and simply supported at ends full stop. The beam carries the 2 equal point loads of magnitudes W at a distances of L by 2 and L by 3 from either simple supports A and D respectively. Okay, please read the problem statement again. Find the collapse load. It means we have to find the collapse load for a 2-span continuous beam ABCD. Something here wrong. ABCD, it means it is 3-span, no? 2-span continuous beam of ABCD of equal span length L and simply supported at ends. The beam carries the 2 equal point loads of magnitudes W at a distance of L by 2 and L by 3 from either simple supports A and D respectively. Here they have told 2-span continuous beam and they have written, I think this is wrong. because A B C D they have written A B C D. If they have write A B C and D, it means this is 4 span beam. So actually they have told 2 span here. So here mistake is there. So only ABC is there. So see here, please erase this D. Actually this problem asked in 2016 May examination, 2016. So by mistake they have ABCD written, and here also instead of D write C here. Here instead of D write C. ABC beam write down here ABC, and instead of D here write C. A and D respectively we have written. So instead of this D write C. Okay. So this is 2 span beam. Okay. Equal length. Span is equal. So EL is there. Now they have told 2-point loads here. The beam carries the 2-point loads of magnitude W at a distances of L by 2 and L by 3 from either simple support, because A and C, these are the 2 simple supports, A and C respectively. So from A the W force is there. From A W force is there and its distance is L by 2. It means this W force at a distance L by 2. Okay, it means this distance also L by 2. Now this L by 3, again one W force is there, and this W force from at a distance L by 3 from C. It means from this distance is L by 3, this W. Are you getting? So this is L by 3, then remaining distance is what? See, total distance is L. Now this distance is L by 3. Now remaining this distance is how much? Here 2L by 3, correct. This distance is 2L by 3. Okay. So here from the problem statement we have drawn the figure. So this is very important. If you fail to draw the figure, then you cannot solve the problem. So by reading the problem statement, you should be able to draw this figure. Are you getting? So now from the problem statement we have drawn here figure. So again you can read the problem statement. See what they have told: find the collapse load for a 2 span continuous beam ABC. So ABC beam we have here drawn. 2 spans are there of equal span length L. L is the equal span and simply supported at ends. It means at A and at C it is simple supports. The beam carries the 2-point loads. 2-point loads of magnitude W. So here W 2-point loads are there at a distances of L by 2 and L by 3. L by 2 and L by 3 from either simple supports. Either simple supports means either, it means A and C. These are the 2 simple supports. So here written supports A and C respectively. म्हणजे A पासून L by 2 वरती आहे आणि C पासून L by 3 वरती W लोड आहे. बघा, whatever figure I have drawn, is this correct as per the problem statement? Yes or no? So you should also able to draw this. जर तुम्ही एक्झामला हे ड्रॉ करू नाही शकला by using this problem statement, then you cannot solve the problem. Okay. Now So now consider span AB. Consider span AB. Okay, so now by considering span AB, draw the mechanism. So if this is the span AB, then actually this point load W is L/2 distance. It means central point load is there. Okay, so this point load W is at a L/2 distance from A and B. Now, so this is the your displacement. Now this rotation is, if we consider theta, now this rotation, this we have considered theta. So this rotation is at B. What is rotation? Theta 1. Shall I write here theta 1? Again this theta, this is theta 1. Okay, whatever I have drawn, is this correct? Yes, Gaurav is saying no sir. It means this is wrong. याचा अर्थ बरेच जण नुसतं लिहायचं काम करतात बघा. काय लिहिले सरांनी ते काय का लिहिणार, आम्हाला त्याचं घेणं देणं नाही. बरोबर आहे, बरेच जणांचं असंच चाललंय. मी मुद्दाम ते सगळं चुकीचं लिहिलेलं आहे तिथं. आम्हाला काय घेणं देणं नाही तुमचं, तुम्ही शिका सर. Yes, Gaurav, Snehal, Swapnil, you are correct. No problem. You are giving daily answers also, but others, no one is giving. Same persons giving me daily answers. Sonali, Swapnil also, Gaurav, Snehal. 2 more persons are there. 2-3 persons. 5 to 7 students are giving me answers. That Priyanka, Sheetal, only these 7 to 8. Others you are not calculating, you are not putting answer also. Whatever answer you have calculated, that you are not putting in chat box also. Simple answers also. Whatever question asked by me, that forgot it. But you are not putting answers also. You are many students, you are wasting my time and yours time also. Those who are not attending, I don't know what will happen. but attend at least sincerely, those who are attending. Please don't because मग आपला वेळ वाया जातोय दोघांचाही, तुमचा आणि माझा पण. So here theta will be same. त्यामुळे मी इतकं स्लो चाललोय. आपला अजून एक सेक्शन फक्त संपलाय, दुसरा सेक्शन आता हे चॅप्टर दुसरा सेक्शन मधला पहिला चॅप्टर चालू आहे. कारण का पुढं किती सेमिस्टर आपल्याला असेल, जरी तुमचं अकॅडमिक इयर जरी नवीन चालू झालं तरी सुद्धा इतकं ते कंजेस्टेड करणार आहेत परत. त्यामुळे आपल्याला हे डिटेलमध्ये परत इतकं शिकायला मिळेल की माहीत नाही. ओके, सो हिअर the W load is act at a L/2 distance, so the rotation from both side will be same, theta and theta. So here four rotations will be theta. Okay, now at support A, please see now support A, which type of support is there here? As they told in the problem statement also, here either simple supports. A and C are the simple supports. So A simple supports, it means here plastic hinge will not form and movement will not be present. Are you getting? Against B supports. Now at B supports, which type of support is there now? B is here. So B is the here continuous supports. So at B, okay, correct, Gaurav. B is the continuous support. So here plastic hinge will form, and due to this plastic hinge, here MP will be formed. Again, due to this, here rotation again will form. Again here MP will be present, and here MP will be present, because here point load is there. So at point load always MP will be there. Okay. So this is the mechanism. Okay. Now follow our procedure. Calculate external work done, internal work done. External work done. So what is external work done? Force into displacement. Force into displacement. So now force for external work done, force is here W, and external work done, sorry, for external work done force is the W, and for displacement, displacement is L/2 into theta. L/2 into theta. So here WL/2 theta is the external work done. WL/2 theta is the external work done. Now again calculate internal work done. Internal work done. So now internal work done is again force into displacement. Now here force is MP and displacement is theta. So how many MPs are there? So here 3 MPs are there with rotation theta. So all MPs with rotation theta. So here we can add MP into theta plus MP into theta plus MP into theta. So 3 MP theta. 3 MP theta. Okay, so by using virtual work method principle, virtual work method principle. So what says virtual work method principle? Virtual work method principle is saying external work done is equal to internal work done. External work done is equal to internal work done. So external work done is now how much? W L by 2 theta is equal to internal work done is 3 MP theta. Now here theta get cancelled, but what we have to calculate in problem statement? What we have to calculate? Collapse load. So collapse load is nothing but here W. So W collapse load, collapse load here WC will be there. So collapse load WC will be, why here we are writing here WC? Because due to this plastic moment. Now if we calculate here this W, हा जर W इथं आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करायला गेलो तर तो MP मुळे त्याची व्हॅल्यू काहीतरी येणार आहे. इथं MP येणार, L by L इकडे येणार, त्यामुळे काहीतरी व्हॅल्यू येणार. बट दिस ड्यू टू दिस MP दिस लोड विल बी द कोलॅप्स लोड. सो हियर वी आर रायटिंग WC. इथपर्यंत आपण W लिहित होतो, बट ड्यू टू दिस MP नाउ दिस लोड विल बी द कोलॅप्स लोड. सो WC इज इक्वल टू 3 MP by 6 MP by L, no? Because this 2 multiply here, so 3 into 2 6 MP by L. So WC is the 6 MP by L. Are you getting? For span AB we have calculated collapse load, and that collapse load is the 6 MP by L. Now next span. So now consider span BC. Consider span BC. Now draw the mechanism. Okay, so see here W load is from L by 2 3 distance, and here 2L by 3 distance is there. See the problem statement. This is span B, this is span C. This is the displacement. Now here this, if we consider this is theta, this is theta 1. So here this is theta, so this is theta 1. Now here why theta 1? Because this distance from this point load, right side distance is L by 3 and left side distance is 2L by 3 from point load. So distance, the point load is acting at a L by 3 distance from C and L by 2L by 3 distance from B. So distance are both distance are not equal. So here rotation will be theta 1 and here rotation will be theta. Okay, so now here C is the simple support, so here movement will not be present, and here B is the continuous support, so here hinge will form and here MP will be present. So similarly at point load, here MP will be present and MP will be present. So this is the mechanism. So in this way you can draw very fast mechanism. तुम्हाला ते असं फास्ट ड्रॉ करता आलं पाहिजे. Okay, so now calculate external work done. External work done. So what is external work done? Force into displacement. Force into displacement. So now force, which is force? Force is here W. W into displacement. This displacement. Now you can take 2L by 3 theta 1 or L by 3 theta. So here we will take 2L by 3. 2L by 3 theta 1 we will take. Displacement is 2L by 3 theta 1. कोणती घेऊ शकतो? हे L by 3 theta or 2L by 3 theta 1. So here 2L by 3 WL theta 1. This is the external work done. Okay. So now calculate internal work done. IWD. Internal work done. So IWD internal work done is nothing but again force into displacement. So now here force is the movement MP and the displacement is nothing but the rotation. So see force, first force, if we see at B, MP is the force into displacement is here theta 1. So MP into theta 1 plus second force if we come here, again here MP into theta 1 and third force is again MP into theta. So 2 MP theta 1 plus MP theta. Okay. But what happens here? Here 2L by 3 theta 1 is equal to L by 3 theta. So we can write here because for this distance theta 1 is rotation and this distance theta is the rotation. But displacement for this is same. Delta is the displacement for both the distances. So here we can write for this purpose we can write in this way. Displacement same आहे त्याच्यामुळे L by 2L by 3 distance साठी rotation theta आणि L by 3 साठी theta 1 and theta. So we can write in this way. So now we have to calculate here theta value because this value is theta 1. External work done ची value theta 1 आहे कारण का या टर्म मध्येच आपल्याला IWD ची value मिळाली पाहिजे. So for that we have to calculate now here value of theta. So theta is equal to now calculate this 2L by 3 into 3 divided by L theta 1, correct? So 3 get cancelled, this L here get cancelled. It means what? How much? 2 theta 1, correct? Theta is the 2 theta 1. Now by using virtual work method principle, by using virtual work method principle, so we can write external work done is equal to internal work done. So external work done is equal to internal work done. It means external work done is now here how much? 2 by 3 WL theta 1. 2 by 3 WL theta 1 is equal to internal work done is 2 MP theta 1 plus MP theta. So now we have to put the value of theta here. So 2 MP theta 1 plus value of theta is MP into 2 theta 1. So it means here 2 MP theta 1 plus 2 MP theta 1. It means here 4 MP theta 1. Here we have put the value of theta. So value of theta is 2 theta 1. Here we have calculated value of theta 2 theta 1. So this 2 theta 1, it means 2 MP theta 1. So here 2 MP theta 1, here 2 MP theta 1, so 4 MP theta 1. So now again this here W L theta 1. So now here theta 1 get cancelled. So we have to calculate the collapse load. So collapse load WC is equal to collapse load WC is equal to how much? This 3 will be here. It means 3 into 4, 12 MP divided by 2L. It means again WC is equal to again here 6 MP by L. So here same collapse load for two span. Both the span same collapse load will be there, because for first span also I think 6 MP by L collapse load was there, and for span BC also the collapse load will be there 6 MP by L. So write down everyone.